Hey there! In this video, I'll be talking a little bit about a website feedback tool that is available within a Wealthy Affiliate. The thing is that for people that are just starting out and they create their own website, it is important to have some kind of feedback. And whether you want to do it using a third-party tool or you want to ask your friends, it actually doesn't matter as long as they provide with a good, thorough feedback. All premium members within a Wealthy Affiliate have an option to ask for the feedback, so you know what you did wrong or what are the areas within your website that could be improved. And let me show you right away that on the Wealthy Affiliate website, you can go to Websites, Site Feedback, and you can request feedback to your existing website. In my case, it could be, so let's say I want to get a feedback regarding my specific article about the tower staking. It's tower staking review, and I just want to receive some opinions from other people. So I type in the specific URL and I want to have I can choose what kind of feedback I would like to receive. It could be either regarding the content, the site design, layout of the page, or use of images in media, or a general feedback. Let me choose general feedback and let's preview the request. Once it has been validated, let me just click on submit, and there you go. Now, within some time, sometimes it takes hours, sometimes it takes a bit longer, it depends on the time you are requesting the feedback. You will get a feedback that points out both the strength of the article and also the areas for improvement. As I mentioned, this tool is available for free for all the Premium and Premium Plus members. But the catch is that you need to have some credits in order to ask for the feedback. It is actually easy to earn the credits. You can offer the feedback and earn 1 credit. You offer 2 feedbacks and you get 2 credits that you can use while you wanna get feedback about your website. And the good thing is, while offering the feedback, you also learn a lot about other websites that members within the Wealthy Affiliate have created or they are working on. So as you see here, you have also some guidance about how to leave the feedback. And you see that the feedback has to be at least 250 characters before submitting. The point is to be thorough. So this is a very good feature within Wealthy Affiliate where you can get an unbiased opinion about a website. At the same time, you can also learn from others how their website look like, and you can somehow compare yourself with others. That's always a good thing. And regarding the feature or the website feedback tool, that's not all, because within the Wealthy Affiliate there is a guy, Jay. He's a veteran in internet marketing, and he hosts weekly live training events for premium members covering a wide range of topics from SEO to content development. So this guy Jay, he has an extensive experience in PPC, local marketing, content development, SEO, website development, and many others. His insight during these webinars are really priceless. Few times a year he does a webinar regarding the websites of Wealthy Affiliate members. It's called a hot seat. The last one was done in spring 2024, and as you see, he picks a website and he covers topics that are crucial for any online marketers, like is the website mobile? How was the user experience? Is it possible to search for a content within the website? How about the content layout? And if he can join your tribe, meaning if you have an option to collect the email address of your audience. So these are all very important things when you create your website, and Jay goes through a number of websites and you can learn a lot. Because in many times while we are busy with creating content, we might forget about some small things, and these features like these website feedback tools are really crucial while building your websites. because even in my case I did forget about a few things. So right after I watched the hot seat, I jumped ahead and fixed those issues within my website. So I just wanted to show you one of the features within the platform that you can leverage once you are a premium member. And I will be showing you more features within the platform. Hopefully you will appreciate it, and if you are interested, you can check the link below where you can join as a starter member for free, and you can test the platform. So if you have questions regarding the platform or regarding the website feedback tool, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video.